Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Halifax mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and then go to your Google search bar. Search for Halifax mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will lead you to the official page of Halifax. You can see that on the top right hand corner there is the sign in option. Click on it and it will lead you to the sign-in portal of Halifax Mortgage. Now, what you need to do is write down your username, write down your password. You can hide or unhide the password anytime and click Remember My Username if you want your browser to remember your username while you log in the next time. After you write down your username, password, press Continue and then you can log into your Halifax Mortgage account quite easily. And in case you have forgotten your sign-in details, here is a link for you to recover your password or username. Click on this link which is below Continue and you can choose if your password is wrong or your memorable information is wrong or you want to change both or you want to find out about the username. Click on it and press Continue and what you need to do is choose the type of account, choose your account number, sort code, first name, last name, the date of birth, press Continue and then you can reset your password or username quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Halifax Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.